Welcome to Digital Media University with Kevin Duncan.
So now we're going to add content to this page. We're going to add two pieces of content that are going to be static content. And there's a couple of files that you can use with images and everything to do this that you'll find right in the course. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to Add Content. I'm going to create a basics page, which is a static page. Now, in the first lesson content folder, you see caffeine. It's a Word file. Just open that up. And it's just it's text. That's what it is. Take your cursor, run it over it, go up to Edit, copy. Now come back to your, get that out of the way. Now come back to your browser and paste it. Do Edit, Paste. So I want to take this part, copy it again, use it as the title. Paste it. So what I'm going to do is I don't want any space in that. Now, whenever you're doing adding content, you'll get these settings down bottom. Really, for our purposes, only two of them are really vital. And that would be the one up top that says Menu Settings, where you can actually provide a link. So if you wanted to put a link up the top of the page that says caffeine versus jumper cables, which probably you don't want to, you'd do that. But one really important setting is promotion settings down here. So I click on that, and I do promoted to the top of the page, which means it's going to go above everything. It's going to be right up the very top. Sticky on top of lists gives it utmost priority. Goes way up to the top of the page, and I do publish. Okay, so caffeine, go back to hit the home icon, and go back to the home page, and you see that you just published a basic page, a static. Now, if I want to edit that, I just hit Edit, and I go right back to where I was. If I want to change any of the settings, wanted to add a menu link. Now, what we have here is a Wysiwyg editor. Wysiwyg meaning what you see is what you get, which isn't really always the truth, but they usually come pretty close. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a picture to this too. And one thing we want to do when we're adding a picture is we want to make sure that our cursor, wherever the cursor is where the picture is going to go. So we want our picture to be right underneath. We're going to go to Add Media. We're going to go to Choose File. And we're going to browse to that folder, which was First Lesson Content. So this would work good. Do Choose. I'm adding that to my library now, too. Now I do Upload. So I have some options here as to how I want the picture formatted. Do Submit. Really, we don't have to go through the options right now. Just go with Original and do Submit. Down to Save. We have a picture. So that's the first content we've added. I'm going to try doing, basic page, caffeine versus jumper cables has been updated. Now I'm going to go right back to the home page, back up to my shortcut toolbar, and I'm going to add content again. Again, I'm just going to do a basic page, static. And I'm going to go to the first. If you wanted to, you could type all this out yourself. And I'm going to do mission. So I'm going to select all, copy, come back to my basic page. Well, hopefully come back to my basic page. And then paste. So now this is a mission statement. So again, I'm going to copy the top because this is the way I have it set up. Paste it, and I want to delete everything so I don't have space up top. Again, scroll down. These are your fine-tuning. Menu settings. Say I want to provide a link because it's a mission. It's a mission, so it is important. If you were a business, maybe you'd want to have a menu item that said that you'd like to have this, right out where everybody could see it. So do publish. And you see our mission now. So again, to bring it right back to the original, and I promoted it sticky lists to the very top. So that's adding content, 2 contents, and we'll add 1 more picture. So now, I'm going back to edit. And I'm going to add media, again, making sure that my choose file, making sure that my cursor's in the right place, because wherever the cursor is where this picture is going to go. So if your cursor's in the middle of your text, it's going to get dropped right in the middle of your picture. Do upload. And we're just going to do original image and do submit. Okay, so we have a menu link, a picture. It's promoted to the front page, to the top of the list, and we created a menu item with this. So we do save. So there's our, so that'll be it for this episode on Drupal Gardens, creating content. We'll be going into more advanced things in the next episode. So, we've added content today and become a little bit familiar with the interface, and I'll be going on into more advanced features in the coming episodes. Thanks, bye.
Thanks for tuning in. Any questions about this program can be addressed to Kevin at digitalmediauniversity.us.